Hey, hello dear Scorpios, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. I'm Vaishali and in this video I'm going to read your cards for the month of June 2021. So, while I shuffle my cards, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. Do share my videos also. And thank you so much for doing that, dear Scorpios. I hope you all are having wonderful time. I mean, I even in fact, you all are having a safe time in the middle of this pandemic. Please do take care of yourself. Spirit and guides, please guide Scorpios for the month of June 2021. Oh my God. So many cards have popped out as if they all want to be part of this reading for you. Please guide Scorpios for the month of June 2021. Okay, I am going to pull out 3 cards for you now, Scorpios. So here I go. First card, wow, Sun. Very, very positive energy. Then we have very wonderful. We have 9 of Pentacles again. Okay, then the third card comes 2 of Swords. That's fine. I would like to clarify this second card, this 2 of Swords card, dear Scorpio. Please clarify 2 of Swords. Please. Okay, oh my God. But so many cards are popping out for you this month, dear. Let me find one card to clarify 2 of Swords for Scorpios. Okay, and then here we go. Wonderful energy. 6 of Wands. Okay, yes, Scorpios. So you really have a very bright beginning now. You have Sun in your reading today. And this Sun card, as we all know, it's the source of energy, source of power, source of living here on earth. Yeah, so Sun is there, and this says that you are going to have a very bright month now. That means that you say many things are trying to get resolved, and there are many good opportunities coming up. A very pleasant month, pleasant energy with you for during in this month, dear. So there is a more of you will be more in a limelight, or you will find less of disappointments and more of happiness. That is what Sun is, right? It brings light in your life. So this is the month which is going to guide you, which is going to give you the opportunities that you're looking forward, so that you can grow abundantly. Okay, so it can be your career, it can be your personal life also. If you are looking to get married, mingle with someone, so it can be that energy also. It can be anything that you want to do. Yes, this is the positive month for you, dear Scorpions. So yeah, make the most of this. And then we also have 9 of Pentacles with the Sun, which says yeah, a very good energy when it comes to money matters, when it comes to finance and career as well. Okay, so this 9 of Pentacles energy is wonderful energy, where it says that you will be rewarded. So you see, this can be a kind of job promotion, it can be the increase in income also, it can be opportunities coming your way again. But this is the energy where you feel blessed, you feel like, yes, I am, like, you feel contented mostly. Okay, so you feel blessed. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. it's not just you are enjoying the, it's like yeah, it's not just you are getting the benefit, you are getting the money, or you are getting good finances, good career opportunities, but at the same time you are enjoying it. That's really a big thing, isn't it, Scorpio? So enjoyment is what you, whatever you do, you are enjoying it now, and you are, you are gaining that happiness out of it. So that's a wonderful energy for you, dear Scorpios, this month. And then we also have two of swords, which is clarified by six of wands. uh, okay, so what I feel from this energy, from these cards, is no there may be a kind of no there you may be facing problem when it comes to decision making. You may not be sure what to do, or how to go forward with something. Okay, maybe the opportunities that you have, you may not be able to, you may not have a proper scenario, you may not have the no required clarity to understand the situation again, and you feel that yes, you are no what to do, I mean which one to take with in the absence of clarity. Now how should I, which decision should I make? But yes, with your intuition, mostly this is the time where you should be depending on your intuition. Okay, so this is the time, think from what you want. Just close your eyes and think about these two things if you are struggling with something, right? So close your eyes in a very peaceful way. Just understand what is that you want, which path you should be choosing. Definitely you get the answers from your heart there. Okay, definitely you will be guided by the universe, and I'm seeing that you will be able to overcome that obstacle also, and coming out with flying colors. So definitely it's really a very wonderful month for you, dear Scorpions, if I have to say. It's like a very victorious month for you, so make good use of this energy, dear. Then yeah, let me take out this card, one more card for you as guidance from the universe here. Okay, please guide Scorpios for the month of June 2021. Please guide Scorpios for the month of June 2021. I'm going to pull out one card here as a message from the universe. So this is the card for you, dear. When I think I have surrendered, I surrender more. So that's a message for you. It's such a beautiful, lovely message for you, dear Scorpios. I wish you good luck for this month. I see you again in another video. Till then, bye bye, take care.